Honey, I'm home.
I noticed.
Are you still upset with me?
What do you think?
I know I made a terrible mistake.
A mistake? You forgot my birthday.
I know. And I'm truly sorry.
You remembered every work meeting, but not my birthday? And to make it even worse, you even remembered Mrs. Smith's birthday.
I know. I can't believe I did that.
So you had time to wish Mrs. Smith a happy birthday, but not your own wife?
You're right. I don't have any excuse.
I spent the whole day waiting for your call, your message, anything.
I feel terrible about that.
Well, I'm sure Mrs. Smith appreciated your birthday wishes.
Please don't say that. It only makes me feel worse.
Good. Maybe now you know how I felt yesterday.
You're absolutely right.
So why are you smiling now?
Because I brought something for you.
Let me guess. A box of chocolates from the supermarket?
I think I did a little better than that.
I'm listening.
First, I want to say I'm truly sorry. You mean everything to me. And forgetting your birthday was the biggest mistake I've made in a long time.
Words are easy.
I know. That's why I wanted to show you how sorry I am.
What's this?
Please open it.
Oh, it's a diamond necklace.
Do you like it?
It's beautiful. But are you trying to buy my forgiveness?
No. I know a gift can't erase my mistake. I just wanted to make you smile again.
Where did you get this?
I went to a jewelry store after work. The saleswoman helped me choose it.
Really?
I told her I had forgotten your birthday.
You actually admitted it?
I had no choice.
What did she say?
She said a diamond necklace was probably my best chance.
Smart woman.
She also told me many husbands come to the store after forgetting a birthday.
So you're not the only forgetful husband?
Apparently not.
I have to admit, you chose a beautiful necklace.
She deserves most of the credit.
At least you were smart enough to ask for help.
So, am I forgiven?
Not so fast.
Uh-oh.
You still owe me a birthday dinner this weekend.
Deal! You can choose the restaurant.
And dessert, too.
Anything you want.
Good answer.
Does that mean I'm forgiven now?
This time, yes.
Really?
Yes. But next year, I expect flowers, a birthday dinner, and a gift. On the actual day.
You have my word. I've already set 3 reminders on my phone.
3 reminders?
1 a week before, 1 the day before, and 1 on your birthday.
Now that's the husband I wanted to see.
Happy belated birthday, my love.
Thank you. And apology accepted.
I promise I'll never forget your birthday again.
Good. Because next time, even a diamond necklace might not save you. Take the quiz on screen, select the correct option, and drop your answer in the comments below. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos.